Hi guys, it's day 4 of writing Linux shell scripts. In today's exercise, I'll write a script that compresses files in a directory and moves the compressed file to another directory, like a backup directory. To begin, I will navigate to where I want to save my shell script, and then I would create my script by typing nano backup.sh, which is the name of my script. Then I'll press enter. In the Nano editor, I would start by specifying the interpreter. Next, I'll define some variables like what I want to backup, where to backup, and the backup name format. The first one is what to backup. I want to backup a directory called design, and it's located in home Victor document designs. So my first variable would be backup underscore files, and I would specify excuse me, I would specify the absolute path, which is home Victor documents and designs. The next variable I want to specify or create is the destination, where to back up to, and I'm backing up to an external drive, which I would give it a variable name dest equals to, and I would specify it's in media Victor ESD ISO backup. Next, I want to create an archive file, that is the name of the backup file, and I want to combine the host name and the day of the week as the name of the archive file. So to do that, I would create two variables, one which is the day, and I would give it some I would say date, so the percentage a would ensure that the day of the week is returned. So this is my day, and I would have another variable as host name, which is okay. Once I'm done, I will now create my archive file name, which would be a combination of my host name and the day of the week which I'm running the backup, and then I'm going to add the extension for compressed archive, which is TGZ. Before moving forward, I want to add some comments in my commands for easy readability. So here is what to back up. Here is where to back up, and for this I would say creating archive file name. So I'm going to type an echo command to display a message on the terminal specifying the start of the backup process. So to do that, I would use the echo command, and echo, just going to put some content in this backing up. I would say backing up, I call the backup files. To my destination. All right. Also, I might want to just display the dates, to just output the current dates and time to provide a timestamp for when the backup started. And I'm just going to create another echo statement to provide a blank line for easy readability. Now the next section will contain the command that backs up the file itself. And to begin, let me just add a comment here. So backing up the files using tar. So the command goes tar czf and my destination slash my archive underscore file backup. Just to explain this, the C here allows you to create a new archive. The Z compresses the archive using zip, and the F uses the destination and the archive file, uses the next argument as the archive file, and then the destination and the archive file can be seen here as displayed. Okay, once I'm done, I can decide to print an empty echo statement just for easy readability, and I would say backup finished. And I might also want to display the dates and time that the backup finished. Finally, you might want to list the content of the destination directory just to be sure that your files are present in that directory. So I'll just go with the ls-lh with my destination. Alright, just to be sure, I'll go through the script one more time to be sure everything is properly written. What's the backup? Where to backup? I'm creating my archive file and I'm combining the host name and the day of the week, and here I'm stating that the backup has started, and I'm putting the dates and time that the backup began, and here this is the backup command itself, and also when the backup ended, and finally I'm listing the content of the destination directory. So once I'm done, I'm going to press Ctrl O on my keyboard, press enter, and Ctrl X to exit from the Nano editor. To run the script, first I have to give the appropriate permission. Plus execute backup script, and then I'm going to run it sh, and then I would hit enter. So here we can see that our backup started, and we can see backing up home backing up this design directory to my hard drive here with my host name and the day of the week. And we can also say the backup finished, and I'm listing the content of that directory, and you can see that my file is present in that directory. Also, we can use a cron job to schedule this backup in case we want to run it on a daily. We can use the cron um, utility functionality on Linux to do that. That will be all for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next.